Hello friends, I remember I got my first job after almost 2 years completing my master degree in 2003. So getting a first job, especially in our career, is very difficult in any field, either it is digital, marketing, finance and so on and so forth. So today I am going to share 5 ways by which you can get your first job. Number one, uh, in any fresher kind of job or any beginner jobs, the employer does not look for a very experienced persons. They look for a people who have a good amount of reasonings, a good amount of aptitude. If you are able to crack that kind of reasoning and aptitude questions in the interview, you are half done, believe me. Because for company, they are looking for a persons who have a good reasoning and aptitude ability, who can quickly learn and get the job done. That applies across any field. So if you consistently focus on learning those skills, spending 2 hours, probably in my time it was R.S. Agarwal kind of books. In today it may be different, but if you consistently apply for to develop those skills through through the practice of 2 hours, I think you are good to go. So number one, develop the reasoning and aptitude. Number two, do online certifications. Not necessarily online. You can, if you can spend, you can do also certification from universities and so on. But on top of your the main graduate degree or postgraduate degree, if you do some industry certifications from the top organizations relevant to the job that you are looking for, then you are one step ahead from the others. Why? Because when you do the certifications, it will help you to not only the crack the interview, it also a kind of credentials, a kind of authorization by which you prove yourself that you are subject matter expert into this particular area. For example, digital marketing, for example, data engineering, machine learning, finance, and so on and so forth. So become completing after post graduation or graduation, if you do industry certification for 3 months, 6 months, that will give you evidence that you have a required skills, at least theoretical, right? An employer is looking for that kind of persons. So number one, try to complete the reasoning and aptitude courses through your practice. Complete. Second point is do some online certification or industry certification which is relevant for your jobs that you are looking for. Number three, try to get real-time experience, no matter where from. It can be from individual, it can be from voluntary organizations, it can be small startup with 2 people's working. It does not matter for you, or it can be from freelancing. If you get the real-time experience through the skills that you have done from your online certifications, through the skills that you have developed through your graduation and post-graduation courses, then your complete education life cycle has been completed, isn't it? Of course, learning will never end, but if you do this 1 or 2 projects, at least the end-to-end learning process you will complete. Because in academics, you learn theoretical plus little bit of practical, and you do the certification that will give very industry-related exposure to you. And third, when you do the real-time projects, you get the real challenges and solve the business problems. And that will give you the confidence to you and confidence to the employer to hire you. So third point is certifications, which is very important, my dear friend. So what I have covered till now, aptitude and reasoning. Second point is certification. Third point is real-time project. Fourth point, which I believe is also equally important, is collaboration and communications. Consistently show your experience to the outside world. Consistently show your certification and academic credentials to the outside world. Of course, you cannot just share it. You have to connect with some of the digital platform and share some of the thoughts around your subjects through writings, through posts, and so on and so forth. That will let other people to know that you have so and so skills and you are the right person to engage with you when new projects comes into that field, isn't it? So fourth point is collaboration and communications to the relevant pupils or relevant platform that you wanted to do. And last but not least is optimistics. Optimistic is, my dear, very important, my dear friend, because I remember it took 2 years after completing my post-graduation in 2003 to get my first jobs, but I was always optimistic because we were a farmer, and we based primarily farmer, and we did law almost many years as a farmer from childhood till my university life. But after gradually we stopped doing farmer because we did not get the labor, we did not get the employee to get our farming activities. So what I am trying to say here is, if an employer require a persons to get your job done, as importantly, as urgently as you need the job from the employer. So it is just two-way requirement, not just you need the job. So it is only matter of time and matter of luck, of course, little bit, and matter of your effort in the right directions. If you follow these 5 rules, sooner or later you will get a jobs. That is my confidence, and I look forward to connect with you again with this new kind of similar engagement. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. Till then.